Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change audio balance for your headphones Argon Audio Quiet Storm. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Android device and then I will move to iPhone. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part to find a similar path to the settings. Now, on your Android, open settings, and then we need to go to accessibility. I have stock Android and right here it's located at the bottom. Enter into accessibility, then scroll down again, and at the bottom we have audio adjustment. Tap at this line, and here it is, we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the right earbud, earcup, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance, so you need to test it. We just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound from your left earbud. If you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, and again you need to find a good balance here. We just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings. And then we need to go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. Enter into accessibility, then scroll down. And in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot or the slider to the left, but you need to find a good balance here, so you need to test it. We just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right ear cup. Now, if you have the problem with the right ear cup, just move this dot to the right. And again, you need to find a good balance. We increase the volume for the right, but lower it for the left. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!